In 2009, while the world was still reeling from the worst financial crisis since the Great Depression, someone published a 9-page document that would change money forever. The author went by the name Satoshi Nakamoto. They created a form of money that didn't need banks or governments. Then, 2 years later, Satoshi disappeared, leaving behind an estimated 1 million bitcoins worth about $73 billion at its peak. Today, that invention has spawned 16,000 different cryptocurrencies. And in 2024 alone, Americans lost $9.3 billion to crypto-related scams. So what exactly is cryptocurrency? And why are people over 60 losing billions while tech billionaires call it the future? Let's cut through the jargon and explain this in the simplest terms possible. Cryptocurrency is digital money that works without banks. Here's the difference. When you send someone $100 through your bank, the bank keeps track of it. The bank says, yes, you have $100, and moves it to the other person's account. One company controls everything. Cryptocurrency works differently. Instead of one bank keeping track, thousands of computers around the world all keep the same record. It's like having 10,000 accountants all writing in their notebooks at the same time. If you try to cheat and say you have more money than you do, the other 9,999 notebooks will say, no, that's wrong. This system is called blockchain technology. No single person or company controls it. That's why people call it decentralized. When you own cryptocurrency, you don't actually hold coins. You have what's called a private key. Think of it as a very long password that proves the money is yours. It's like having the only key to a safe deposit box. Here's the scary part: lose that key. Your money is gone forever. No bank to call. No customer service. No password reset button. Gone. New coins are created through something called mining. Thousands of powerful computers compete to solve mathematical puzzles. The winner adds new transactions to everyone's notebooks and receives new cryptocurrency as a reward. It happens automatically, every few minutes. Bitcoin, the first and most famous cryptocurrency, was designed with a hard cap. Only 21 million bitcoins will ever exist. This artificial scarcity is supposed to make it valuable, like gold. There's only so much of it. But here's what you need to understand: unlike dollars backed by the government, or gold with real-world uses, cryptocurrency has value only because people agree it does. It's worth something only because others believe it's worth something. To show you how wild this gets, in 2010, a programmer paid 10,000 bitcoins for 2 pizzas, about $25 worth at the time. Those same 10,000 bitcoins, they'd be worth $975 million today. Bitcoin reached $120,000 in July 2025. But don't let that fool you. It can also drop 20% in a single day. Entire fortunes appear and vanish in hours. Now we need to talk about fraud. According to the FBI, Americans lost a record $9.3 billion to cryptocurrency scams in 2024, a 66% increase from the year before. People over 60 lost $2.8 billion, more than any other age group. Let me tell you about pig butchering scams. Someone attractive messages you on a dating app. They build a relationship over weeks. Then they mention making money with cryptocurrency. They show you their earnings and send you to a trading platform. You invest. The platform shows you making money. So you invest more. Then when you try to withdraw, there's always another fee, another problem. That's when you realize the platform was fake. Your money is gone. The person you trusted, a scammer, possibly operating from a trafficking compound in Southeast Asia. These scams grew 40% in 2024. The same decentralization that makes crypto appealing also makes it perfect for criminals. Once you send cryptocurrency, it's nearly impossible to recover. There's no bank, no chargeback, no fraud department. Cryptocurrency is also the payment method of choice for ransomware attackers, darknet markets, and money launderers. And Bitcoin mining consumes as much electricity as entire countries. So where does that leave us? The believers see cryptocurrency as revolutionary, protecting against government overreach and inflation. Some of that vision is real. Crypto enables fast international transfers and financial access for underserved communities. But most cryptocurrencies aren't used for daily transactions. They're speculative assets. People buy them hoping to sell at a higher price. That's not currency. That's gambling. The gap between promise and reality remains vast. The volatility makes it impractical. The environmental costs are troubling. The scams devastate lives. If you're going to invest, treat it like high-risk speculation. Never invest more than you can afford to lose completely. Use regulated platforms. Be extremely skeptical of guaranteed returns. And never, ever give out your private keys. Remember those $9.3 billion lost in 2024. If someone you met online wants to show you how to make money in crypto, that's your red flag. The promise of cryptocurrency is real. So are the risks. What do you think? Let me know in the comments, and subscribe for more investigations into topics that affect your finances and security.